Peter Delight Painters Company. As industrial roofing contractors, we provide high-quality roofing repairs and refurbishment work at competitive prices. Our work covers warehouses, commercial premises, complexes and industrial facilities throughout Durban KwaZulu-Natal Province. Our commercial roofers undertake a whole range of repair work, from installing industrial gutter lining, repairing flat roofing and installing corrugated roofing to re-decking, insulation and replacing asbestos cement roofs. After your free inspection, we will give you a quote for the best solutions to your roofing needs, recommending the work required to ensure a quality repair or refurbishment that will last for years. Our aim is to do an excellent job which is finished on time and on budget. Don't hesitate to contact Peter on 07421474433. Visit our website www.peterdelightpainters.co.za. Email at peter@peterdelightpainters.co.za. 2023 production.